Hi, I'm Nick. As a seller on Squarespace, you can sell physical items and services, create content and memberships, accept donations, send invoices, and access additional financing to jumpstart your business. Squarespace Payments is the best way to accept and manage payments directly through Squarespace, instead of having to use a third-party platform. Let's jump right into it. Squarespace Payments makes accepting payments and managing payouts easier for you because everything is handled within Squarespace. This eliminates the need to dig up your financial information on other platforms and websites. The onboarding process is super easy and only takes a few minutes. Payments and payouts are secure with continuous risk monitoring, and you can directly access support with our customer operations and risk teams. To get started with Squarespace Payments, go to your Settings menu, then click Selling, and click Payments. Then turn on Squarespace Payments. From here, you'll be asked to verify your personal and professional details. When this is complete, click Agree and Submit. Once your identity is verified, you can begin selling on your website. After you receive your first payment, you'll be prompted to connect your checking account so you can start receiving payouts. Next, you can manage your Squarespace Payments settings. Here you can update your contact information, payout bank account, and how payments made in your store will appear on your customers' bank statements. You can also select which payment options your customers will see at checkout. Squarespace Payments supports all major credit and debit cards, along with additional payment options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Klarna, ACH, and more, so that you can support the range of how your customers prefer to pay. You can also visit your finance dashboard, where you can review the payments from your site and see funds that are still processing. Clicking into a payment will show you the billing, shipping details, and transaction history. This is also where you can issue a refund if needed. When you visit the payouts dashboard, you can view a history of your payouts. You'll see a status for each payout, indicating if it has been paid out or is in transit to your connected bank account. Instant payouts are also available on Squarespace Payments. With instant payouts, eligible merchants who are connected to Squarespace Payments can get paid in less than 30 minutes, eliminating wait time and streamlining business operations. Instant payouts enables you to immediately use your payments to help pay for supplies, complete orders or jobs, or otherwise invest back into your business. If you're eligible, you can request an instant payout at any day or time, including weekends and holidays. If you need additional financing to grow your business, Squarespace Capital allows you to apply for financing directly through the Squarespace platform. The application process for Squarespace Capital is simple and straightforward. It takes only minutes to apply directly from your Squarespace dashboard, and you'll get a decision on your application in a few business days. If you're approved, your funds will be available within a few business days. Then it's up to you how you use your funds to grow your business. Squarespace Payments is available to all customers in the US, UK, Canada, and many parts of Europe, with more countries coming soon. Be on the lookout for when Squarespace Payments becomes available to you. And remember, you've got this.